NC State's a very large university centered in Raleigh, North Carolina. We have our Centennial campus, which is known as our kind of innovative engineering campus. And then we have our main campus, which is more the traditional housing, dorms, everything else.
NC State campus is a huge campus. It's a great institution for a lot of opportunities.
I am charged with procuring, designing, and issuing all the credentials for NC State.
So pretty much we create the ID cards for everybody on campus.
We issue around 26,000 cards per year, and that's a mixture of students, faculty, staff, affiliates, visitors, temporary employees, conference cards, and everything in between. The Wolfpack One card is the key to the entire campus. It controls your door access, printing, copying, your meal plan, parking, transportation. It's a very complex card.
As a student, the Wolfpack One card gives me access to the gym and to different games, sporting events, other buildings on campus, and food.
So we use a regular Prox chip as well as an I-class chip. It's also embedded with a mag stripe. All three of those different forms of technology serve their own role within campus.
NC State had a historically unreliable system for many years. It was unfortunate that a lot of time and man hours were spent fixing, correcting the printers, replacing card supplies, losing cards that are very expensive.
The shortcomings of the previous card issuance system we had was lost cards, misprints.
Old card solution, multiple jams, laminator issues, or color ribbon.
If it was a mechanical problem with the printer, it happened.
NC State's card loss was hovering around 10% in their previous solution. Now, with an advanced technology card, the cost to replace that is very expensive. You're talking anywhere between, $8 to $10 per card. And that adds up over time.
The financial loss for all the lost cards was around $24,000. And that's important because this is a loss for the student.
It was a little difficult with the old card solution.
Getting to our modern platform with Color ID basically started with, I called Markup one day and I was complaining about our current solution. I kept losing cards, it was costing the university money.
Color ID is the trusted industry expert for credential and identity management. Color ID's role is removing the pain points that an end user has. What we like to steer people towards is creating their own identity roadmap. It basically entails them mapping out a way to migrate to a newer technology, a newer software system, an ID printer. We like to say that we're agnostic when it comes to working with all manufacturers out there in the industry. HID Fargo Connect and the HDP 6600 was a perfect fit.
The three big differences with my card operation now versus just a few years ago is the ease of design, the ease of issuance, and the cost savings.
They no longer have a lot of card jams and card waste.
So we use Fargo Connect in every aspect of card issuance on campus currently. Right now I have four printers set up in my card office. I have one printer set up at our onboarding center, which takes care of all the new employee orientations, and they also issue ID cards. Very rarely will I have to go on site and fix anything.
We can check the ribbon levels, the laminate levels.
So basically the security liability goes way down with Fargo Connect. All the network stuff is out of scope.
The nice thing with Fargo Connect is that you're utilizing a console, and you're no longer having to utilize a PC, update Windows, create new drivers, worry about security software. It's just the console and it's just the printer.
Yeah, the IT staff loves it. Yeah, as soon as I flipped the switch on, they were ecstatic.
Better quality as far as card production all around. I think we're more efficient now. When you print that first card, including the warming process, then we're looking at maybe 4 to 5 minutes. Versus now, we're down to 2 to 3.